high-stakes digital age, the battle isn't just between businesses, it's between human creativity and machine intelligence. With AI powerhouses like DeepSeek R1 pushing boundaries, we're left with a pressing question: can artificial intelligence not only match but surpass human ingenuity in generating wealth within just a single day? Welcome to the ultimate 24-hour showdown. In one corner, we have Alex, a sharp-witted entrepreneur armed with experience, strategy, and human intuition. In the other, DeepSeek R1, an open-source AI powerhouse known for its razor-sharp reasoning and data-driven decision-making. The stakes? A race against time to see who can generate more wealth in just 24 hours. Will human ingenuity triumph, or will AI redefine the game? Let the challenge begin. Before the battle begins, let's meet our contenders. On one side, Alex, a seasoned entrepreneur whose instincts, adaptability, and years of experience have fueled success in the unpredictable world of business. On the other, DeepSeek R1, an AI marvel engineered by the trailblazing startup DeepSeek, celebrated for its lightning-fast efficiency in coding, content creation, and problem-solving. Human intuition versus machine precision, who will come out on top? Alex wastes no time, diving headfirst into a money-making frenzy. With sharp instincts and years of experience, he crafts a strategy built on multiple income streams, freelance consulting, rapid-fire online sales, and tapping into personal networks for high-value gigs. Every second counts. Will human hustle outpace AI efficiency? Meanwhile, DeepSeek R1 fires up its algorithms, scanning vast data landscapes for the most lucrative opportunities it can execute autonomously. Armed with unparalleled coding skills and razor-sharp data analysis, it weighs its options, building a sleek, revenue-generating app, crafting high-traffic content for monetized blogs, and dissecting stock market trends for strategic trades. Can raw computational power outmaneuver human intuition? As the hours pass, Alex stays on the move, jumping into meetings, making deals, and handling logistics. His biggest strength? The human touch. By building relationships and negotiating with emotion and intuition, he gains an edge that AI can't match. But will it be enough to win? At the same time, DeepSeek R1 works at lightning speed, coding an app, generating SEO-friendly articles, and crunching stock market data for high-precision predictions. No breaks, no fatigue, just pure, relentless efficiency. Can human determination keep up with machine perfection? As the 24-hour challenge ends, the results are in. Alex's hard work earns him $850, a great achievement through skill and effort. But DeepSeek R1, with its fast automation, reaches $1,200. This is just a demo, not a real test, but it highlights the power of DeepSeek R1 in making money quickly. This demo showcases the changing world of income generation. While human creativity and adaptability remain unmatched, AI models like DeepSeek R1 can be powerful allies, taking over tasks that require speed and data analysis. Instead of competition, the future may be about collaboration, where humans and AI work together to achieve more than ever before. The future isn't about humans versus AI, it's about humans and AI working together. By embracing this partnership, we can unlock incredible possibilities, boost productivity, and create opportunities we never imagined before. Want to see how AI can supercharge your daily tasks? Hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore the incredible partnership between humans and technology. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts. What do you think about this challenge?